This IP month celebration is in the preservation of our culture, tradition, for which was inherited with our forefathers. So sila po naunang nagkuha ng culture natin at saka tradition. So this generation, we are going to inculcate to all the young generation for the culture, tradition of taga Trinidad at saka taga Benguet. Let us continue working together for the preservation of our culture and tradition.
Ang hibit na ito na IP month na kinikilala namin na mga IP dito sa Benguet, na pinipreserve namin itong kultura kasi dito kami minimaintain namin itong, pinipreserve namin yung kultura namin as IP. Sa susunod na mga kabataan dito sa Benguet, sana yung sinabi nga, kung hindi ka makapupunta sa paroroonan mo, kung hindi mo rin titingnan yung pinanggalingan mo, dapat titingnan mo rin yung tawag nun, kung ano yung sinaunang kaugalian o kultura dito sa Benguet.